I love Italy. The sound of the sea. I'm kind of preparing my text for this vlog right now. How do you find this? I'm in Italy, San Benedetto del Tronto. Once again, I'm in Italy, San Benedetto del Tronto. Why? Because I'm gonna make my next vlog here. Not this vlog, the next one. And of course, I wanna relax. Hey, I'm Michael, I'm from Bavaria, Germany, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a making of, kinda, of my next vlog. I'm entering Italy. Ticket for the Italian highway. Still 1 hour left to my destination. That's the car I need right now. Look, I've been here last year. 10 minutes left and there's a traffic jam. Today is the day I'm going to a 6-day trip to Italy. I had some exhausting projects the last couple of weeks. Look how tired I am. This is why I haven't been vlogging for a long time. I need some rest, definitely. Oh my god, look, there's the sea. Now leaving the highway. Just finally arrived in San Benedetto del Tronto. Look at the palm tree. I love that. San Benedetto is just 8 hours to drive from my hometown, and you have this exotic atmosphere here. Guess what's the first thing I must do now? I'm gonna get rid of my clothes now and I'll jump into the sea. Look at the blue water. That's fantastic. That's what I need. Vitamin C. That's what I was looking for weeks. That was day 1 in San Benedetto del Tronto. See you tomorrow. Good morning. This is day 2. Drinking my coffee. It's 5 p.m. I've been lazy so far. Time to go outside. So, day 2, the weather is not that good. There's some feather clouds. That's good. The sun comes out from time to time. First things first, drinking an espresso. I've just been in the water. Well, day 2 was very chilling to me because I did nearly nothing. So there's nothing to talk about this day. Yeah, what shall I say? What I like about the Italian culture is they have this relaxed attitude to everything. Today was about cooling down from the past exhausting weeks. And so there's nothing to tell about today. So, day 2 is coming to an end. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Now going back to my apartment, hope to show you more about San Benedetto del Tronto tomorrow. Good night, guys. I was looking for a place to do my tech vlog, which I'm gonna shoot tomorrow. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, way too early for me. I'm gonna have a run now. I have the chance to record the sunset. I'm not even sure if it's possible to see the sunrise here. Whew. Now I'm gonna have a stop here because look at that. That's so cool. It's a bummer that I can't zoom in with this lens. I'm gonna try it in 4K. I always feel blessed when I see this. It's really incredible. Gotcha. Oh damn, still have some sand in my shoes. By the way, it's quite awkward to run with a bulky cam. Now I'm back at my apartment. So the run was kind of a preparation for a tag vlog which I'm gonna shoot tomorrow. It was kind of location scouting. This is the place I spotted to do my unboxing. And I'm very excited to unbox this. Ideal for doing my unboxing. It's 12 AM and I had to sleep until now. As I said before, it was way too early for me. Now I'm gonna have a coffee. Coffee ready? That's the Italian lifestyle. It's day 3 of my Italy trip and I'm at the beach again and I want to continue doing my preparations for my next tech vlog. So what I'm doing right now is some kind of a research because my next tech vlog is gonna be about water. Well, it's the 4th time I'm here in San Benedetto. It's one of my favorite places here because it doesn't feel so touristic at all. It is not that crowded here and it's almost Italians who do their vacations here. By the way, I'm shooting with my spectacles because they're waterproof. I've done my research. Going back to the beach now. I'm so sluggish today. Should have another sleep, I guess. I decided not to sleep. Although I love the beach, it gets boring, so I decided to go to the city center. So this literally means work, work, work. I prefer the sound of the sea, which is, by the way, also my attitude. This is some kind of a marketplace. I'm in the city center, so much life here. Just closed and I wanted to buy something. The shops are closing, the city center is quite empty. It's time to go back to the apartment. Delicious. Guys, I'm so tired. See you tomorrow. Day 4. 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing the unboxing today. Coffee first. I need this for my unboxing. Look at that. The horizon seems to be more reddish than yesterday, the moment of sunrise. I think I should stay here. Hey guys, now comes the moment of truth. I'm finally gonna do the unboxing. I'm very excited. Let's start. That's a wrap. I've done my shooting. Now I'm gonna go back to my apartment, have a coffee. I hope that I have all the ingredients to make my tag vlog, but I'm very optimistic. Today it's day 5 of my trip. The weather is not that good. There are some clouds today. This is why I'm not going to the beach today. What I'm gonna do now is going to a shopping center. I definitely need some clothes. Found nothing. Still nothing. That looks spooky. That's my last chance. Just came back from the shopping center. Now I'm looking for a place to continue my tech vlog. That's a nice boulevard. I think the best place to vlog is still the beach. It's getting darker and I haven't found a place yet to vlog. Looks really nice. Well, that's not the most beautiful location here, but I guess this is sufficient light. So, what are my first impressions? So, these were my first impressions. I'm gonna do more tests tomorrow. This was day 5. Tomorrow is the last day. Vlog shooting was successful. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Again, it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. It's my last day today, day 6. Look how tired I am. Big eye rings. That's the place I shot my unboxing. Look at that. How beautiful. I love Italy. I've been traveling to Italy for the last 7 years. The first time ever was 1993 as part of a school excursion. Then there was a long break, and in 2011 I made a little road trip. A few years ago I discovered San Benedetto del Tronto and I fell in love with this city. Last year I was in Riviera del Conero and in Puglia. My appearance changed definitely. I embarrass myself now. I'm using a teleprompter app because I'm not able to memorize my text. Shame on me. But anyhow, this is a behind the scenes, a making of. I will go back to my apartment and have a breakfast. I really like the combination of these colors. What a nice morning. It's my last day today because I'm leaving today. Don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I could stay here for another week. Don't mind selling out or playing cover songs. One last goodbye before I leave to Germany. As long as friends and family. I'm really sad. Believe me. And I don't need more money or faster car. Love the beach. To me. To by land, by air, by sea. Oh, love that feeling. And that is how it's supposed to be. Now, waves, I like waves. That much I can see. Okay, folks, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf. And how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden.